Working hard, but not seeing proportional career growth? You deliver results and meet deadlines, but when it comes to bigger opportunities, something feels missing. Because execution alone is not enough anymore. What truly sets professionals apart today is structured project management. That's where PMP comes in. The PMP certification gives you a globally recognized framework to manage projects with clarity and confidence. You learn how to lead teams, manage risks, handle stakeholders, and deliver real business value, not just complete tasks. It prepares you for senior project management roles, where decisions matter and impact is visible. Professionals with PMP often earn higher salaries, grow faster in their careers, and unlock global opportunities. Because PMP is not just a certification, it's a career acceleration tool. But clearing PMP in the first attempt requires more than just studying slides. You need clarity, practice, and right guidance. That's exactly what we focus on at ICEQBS. We provide structured study material, mobile app-based practice, and AI-based simulated projects for real understanding. Concepts are explained clearly through live whiteboard sessions, making learning simple and practical. And when it comes to exam success, we go even further. You get full-length mock tests to assess your readiness, weekly doubt clarification sessions, and personalized one-on-one guidance to help you confidently clear the exam in your first attempt. Because at ICEQBS, you don't just prepare for PMP, you learn to think, analyze, and respond like a project manager. If you're serious about clearing PMP and accelerating your career, reach out to the ICEQBS team and start your journey today.